Welcome to Chat Free TV. We are going to review Victory by Vybz Kartel. And this track, Victory by Vybz Kartel, already rack up million plus views already in just 4 days. But we are going to review the music now, and then we are going to drop few input and tell you, because I have something to talk about pertaining to Vybz Kartel. Stay tuned, make sure to like and subscribe. Know if you find me, ziggyHDszn on all platforms. Run it.
On Vybz Kartel, number one.
Number one, yeah.
Above any singer, rapper,
Everything.
anybody, yeah?
Every day when I wake up, I pray to the Lord. I pray to the Lord. Woo woo! Victory. From poverty to big dreams. Yo, I'm a neighbor I go lie right after, but enough people are gonna say me I go talk nothing another one again. But this Victory is not. Some people are gonna say it's a boasting tune and them thing there. But if you pre the thing, you know, imagine uno come from the part of death. Uno already go through one thing where it was start impossible. Uno come out. Uno not only come out and be a bystander to society. Uno come out and dominate again. A foreign yard. Sean Storm a drop him thing. And I don't matter fuck off Sean Storm. Big up to Sean Storm. No, Sean Storm debut. Him EP. Sean Storm EP debut 4th or 5th on iTunes chart. And that is a big win. Me no business when a man wants to say, cause me hear when I talk about Sean Storm in a music journey. A lot of things me want to say about Sean Storm. But Siva a deliver. Right now, Siva a damage on the liver. Big up to Siva. EP a go on good. Check it out, people. If you not check it out yet, go and go check out Siva EP. Run up the numbers on that. But back to what me I say. This by Vybz Kartel Victory is not a boasting tune. It's a if you pre this is a victory. It says it itself. You come out resilient. You persevere. You know them thing there? Big words. At the baddest tune. At the baddest tune out right now in all genres. Victory! From poverty to big dreams. I'm want to notice, you know, notice the difference, you know. When some man say them a do some music thing, brother, and them the impact, just check the impact. Me never have a call an artist name, but just check the Vybz Kartel impact and you put it against any man impact in the streets and it talk for itself. And sometimes you can see why the Vybz Kartel 8 is somewhere evil exists. People feel some way, but people not strong enough to know, say, yo, I just them man the way that I just them man they are the king, yeah, man, and nobody can do it like him. Nobody no accept defeat. Everybody feel like, say, even if them go come and say, Vybz Kartel, I'm a G, and Vybz Kartel are this, that's why you not see enough of them come out in a no music show. That's why you not see enough of them jump on them platform and say, yo, big up Vybz Kartel and them thing there, you know. From the man come out, you know. And Vybz Kartel know these things. These things are obvious. So enough of them will say, yo, Vybz Kartel, me loyal to Vybz Kartel, but what? You know, hear them a praise no Vybz Kartel accomplishment, brother. Them silent. Silent, right through. You will hear 1 and 2 man say something, but that's just my opinion. I know Chat Free TV, I keep it real. You see me, I say? We block them. You one there. Sicka Rhymes feel that. Because I don't know how Sicka Rhymes are. That line there with Vybz Kartel. The line there with Vybz Kartel say. You see the line there with Vybz Kartel say. The fake one's gone, but the real one there. Me know Sicka Rhymes feel that one there, man. Because I don't know how Sicka Rhymes feel fall out to the Gaza, and not only fall out to the Gaza, him a move like some bitch. Him gone on social media like verse da, Me not call nobody name. But Sicka Rhymes, him a low. Because you know him gonna say I massacre the greatest and all type of thing. You see me I say? Go in the media, install some bad negative in the media and it obvious to everybody know why I'm also tender like a girl. Forever. I want to understand again. Me no business if you no want to say me a talk about the music. Me a monetize. You know have to understand. If you know everybody were there. My family them there. Juju. Pre no? Enough people are going to pre Juju and say Vybz Kartel I do tune it Juju and now Vybz Kartel and Juju. Promotion. Everything. Him and Juju. Victory. I feel him and Juju bro. Pre that no man. The man full of style bro. Check it back. Juju a family. Juju you can back in the prison cell. Juju a visit. You can track the track record is there. Everybody were there, still there seeing with the loyals one there, the loyal ones there, bro. It's evident. Coming on no money. Are the baddest thing this. Stay tuned. Me have something we say. Stay tuned. Don't skip yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. From poverty to big dreams are the baddest thing. And the Vybz Kartel 8 is just real and the common people, everybody supposed to can see that now. The Vybz Kartel 8, if you say the Vybz Kartel 8 is not real, bro, I don't know why. Because people really hate from Vybz Kartel wicked, you know. I just Vybz Kartel and him team and him fans and couple. You can count it on one hand. The people them who really I say yo, I big up Vybz Kartel one way. Vybz Kartel a promoter and manager. I just a family, bro. I just a family. People hate the man for real. People hate the man's success. People can't control the man's success and people hate him for it, bro. That is a real thing. People who don't pre the thing now. That is a come like say, yo, people hate you for good, bro. And that is the story of Vybz Kartel. Maria, Juju. Jesus, peace. All people will love me. All people will love me and tell me say me couldn't. Deep. But still, we bring with people and when all the people them same way. A Gaza we say. A Gaza are the most loyal camp out there. A Gaza are the most solid fan base worldwide right now. Away from the beehive. Right now. If I lie, me I tell you, drop it in the comments and tell me say I lie, me I tell. A Gaza are the most firmest fan base right now, the most loyal fan base. Away from Beyonce and the Barbs, a Gaza. Worldwide. You see me I say? Yeah man, none of them no come close, man. Not even Cardi B. Big up to Cardi B, you know. You don't know anything already. I link see you, but a Vybz Kartel, man. Beyonce, the Beehive, Nicki Minaj and the Barbs, and Vybz Kartel and the Gaza. The three most top loyal fan base in a music we me know. Right now. Yeah, man. Because remember, you know, even cash money, young money, cash money, it divided, the strength is divided in a like 10 half or 10 pieces. You get me I say? So you have cash money, you have MMMG or what they want to call it, you have brother, you have a whole heap of different things. Me I talk about original fan base. Barb, We are talking about Beehive, Day One, and the Gaza. You get me, I say? Vybz Kartel, it is real. People really grudge Vybz Kartel for him success. Them copy Vybz Kartel from Alkaline, all of them. Everybody is who them is right now pertaining to Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel open all of the door them. Kick down all of the barrier. Bear all of the burden. And make you can have the freedom in a dance and no all. I talk something out of no mouth and them thing there. And that's one of the things why you have all Cayman now. I say big as Vybz Kartel is worldwide right now. Still I go put on bangles for the man in music, in performance. We not talk about, because remember, you know, if you go talk about Adidja Palmer, you know, the man is acquitted. The man is not a criminal, bro. You understand what I mean? In the court of law. So you can't say at that I stop him from I put any barriers on him man. So it shows the sacrifice of Vybz Kartel put in this dance hall, and now everybody come. You never know that. Not to mention, remember back in the time when Vybz Kartel are gone, when the bubble then run down, everybody a demonized Kartel, Ray and Tay, and it's still in effect right now, and Cayman is just proof of that. So now you have the freedom, the younger dancehall artists them now have the freedom for down in a girl throat hole, and the hole. You understand what I mean? Down in a throat. And all type of these things. And that is a large influence of Vybz Kartel. If I never Vybz Kartel, you wouldn't even have an Alkaline. If you even dare think him can come on a dancehall space and talk about body wash. So, for a man, I go look pan this thing and say, you know, and that is where it hurt even more. It hurt even more, bro. If you know, say, yo, in a dance hall, we are talking about not only a legendary status Vybz Kartel. And if Vybz Kartel, yo, just pre this. Just pre this. Vybz Kartel have at least 5 are the most notable, the most hit song in the dancehall space within the last year. At least 5 are the best song them in a dancehall within the last year. Massacre and couple other little man have couple song in that too. In the next 5. But undoubtedly, from Vybz Kartel come out and the body of work of Vybz Kartel put out, including Victory. It is undoubtedly, you can say, Vybz Kartel have at least 5 at the test 10 best song them for the last year. If I did one next artist, I do as good as Vybz Kartel or have 5 of them there right now, him would have help on top of the world right now. Only Vybz Kartel team a year big him up. Only Vybz Kartel dieted fans them a year big him up. A Vybz Kartel fans, fan base. If I never Vybz Kartel fan base, bro, that's why you hear people come and them say, yo, the prison hype I go over, cause them know say the Vybz Kartel yet is a real thing from then and now. But guess what? Vybz Kartel persevere. Vybz Kartel outlive the whole of them all. Me get to see Vybz Kartel outlive all of them for them, bro. In a media, in a relevancy, in a music, in a performance, in a work, in a achievement. All of them. Me see Vybz Kartel standing, left standing, at the last man standing, bro. And that is real. You hear it from Chat Free TV, Ziggyhdseason. Me stand on that 100%. From my heart, bro. You get me I say? Me see the fight, bro. Me see the fight, dog. Me see the hate. Me literally see the Vybz Kartel hate, bro. It's a real thing. And that is why victory, Vybz Kartel victory means so much. I mean, know him proud of himself, bro. And if nobody no know, nobody nah pre them thing and him not hear that enough, bro. We proud of Vybz Kartel. The die-hearted Gaza people them proud of Vybz Kartel. We see the work. You think a boy? Be everybody hate you, you still live on top, bro. Because the love for them come on and say them love, you know, dog. Me not have to call no man name and them thing. That don't look like real love, brother. You can't say me mean so much to you. And all of that. And yeah, I'm a boss and all of these things. And me come out and me get mobile, me get crowning, me get back to back hits. I hardly hear it from someone where you should hear at least I say, yo, big up Kartel. It's like from Kartel come out of jail, it's like nobody no big up Kartel again. So me guess Kartel in a prison and free Kartel. And that the man them did want to say. The man them did okay with that because you know them see money, the money they drive. It all come down to money, you know. It all come down to money. The money dry up. That is it. That is what the hate come down to money. Me break it down and now, me find it out. Me did know a long time, you know, but me I tell you now, on camera. All of this hate come off of money. Because when Vybz Kartel in their prison, it's easy for a man say, yo, free Vybz Kartel and most away. We see that and say, yo, a loyal soldier them and give them some extra listen. You see me, I say, so them numbers are go up and them and make money. Yeah, but now Vybz Kartel come out and reclaim the power and dominate. Hits after hits. It's like we hate him for be good. We hate him for be special. Where that go? All that go so. You hate a man for be special. You hate a man for be the best, bro. You hate a man for be good. That's literally it, you know. Because enough people are going to say Vybz Kartel have him ways, bro. But who wouldn't have ways? You know, say, yo, you are the greatest, brother. And the whole of them know, but yet still, them two-faced. Yeah, man, so that me I say, Vybz Kartel hate is real. Me know, drop it in the comments and make me know what you think as usual. You know if you find me, Chat Free TV, I'm out.